This video will go over how to install the EcoHitch X7476S for your Kia Niro, which features a stainless steel receiver to protect your hitch from corrosion. If you find this video helpful, please consider giving the video a like and hitting the subscribe button below for future installs. Begin by using a trim tool or flat head to carefully remove the plastic clips attaching the bottom cover to the underside of the vehicle. Remove the screws from the bottom cover. Remove the two plastic push nuts from the underside of the vehicle. If needed, install the hitch with the provided side plate spacers. You may find taping them together makes the installation easier. Raise the hitch into position and install the provided metric hardware through the hitch, side plates, and into the frame. Once the bolts are secure in the frame, torque them to the specifications recommended in the instructions. Using the dimensions in the instructions, use a marker to measure and mark where to trim your access port. Both the bumper cover and the bottom cover will need to be trimmed using a body saw or a similar method. Once they are trimmed and the hitch is tightened in place, simply reinstall the bottom cover in the reverse order of removal, and your EcoHitch is ready for use.
This video is a guide for visual reference. Please always refer to our instructions when installing Torque products, for they are updated regularly. For any questions, visit our website or give us a call at 800-246-8132.